We found the holes. Now we fill them, a process called imputation, so that no row has to go to waste. The lazy option is to delete every row that has a gap. But on real data, that can throw away half your examples. The smarter move is to fill each gap with a sensible estimate. For a numeric column like age, the natural filler is the column's typical value. Its mean, or its median. Compute it from the ages you do have, and drop it into the blank. Which one? Usually the median. Watch why. Suppose one age is a wild 999. The mean gets yanked up to 218, useless. The median barely moves, landing on 32. The median shrugs off outliers. But you can't average a city. For categorical columns, fill with the mode, the most frequent value. NYC appears most often, so the blank city becomes NYC. Apply it across the table, and every gap closes with a reasonable value. No rows lost, and the model can finally run. One crucial rule. Compute those fill values from the training data alone. Peeking at the test set to compute a mean leaks information. A mistake so important we'll give it its own lesson. So imputation fills the gaps. Median for numbers, mode for categories, learned from the training data only. Next, two more messes to clean up. Duplicate rows, and wild outliers.